In front of me is Honor View 20, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and holding microphone icon at the bottom. If you can't see it, go back, access devices settings and scroll all the way down. Then select System and Updates. Now tap on Language and Input, SwiftKey Keyboard, and Typing. Finally, you need to tap on Voice and Physical Keyboard over here and use Gray Switcher next to Voice Input to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and hold Now Visible Microphone. Then start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to stop, click on this blue button with a white microphone. To start again, click on white button with a blue microphone. If you wish to go back to your standard keyboard, use this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!